FaheemShaheen English Practice. Welcome to my channel. Hello everyone, welcome back to FaheemShaheen channel. In today's lesson, we are going to practice real English speaking that you can use in daily life. Remember, the more you speak, the more confident you become. So repeat after me and practice with me. Daily life sentences. I wake up early in the morning. Can you help me? I am feeling hungry. What are you doing right now? Let's go for a walk. I don't understand. Can you repeat? This is my favorite book. I am learning English every day. Don't worry, it's okay. Can I ask you a question? That sounds interesting. I will call you later. I like spending time with my friends. How was your day? Please speak slowly. Conversation practice. At a coffee shop. Hello, can I have a cup of coffee please? Sure, do you want it hot or cold? Hot please, and you can add some sugar. Of course, anything else? No, that's all. How much is it? It's $5. Here you go, thank you. You're welcome, enjoy your coffee. Now replay this conversation. First be the customer, then be the waiter. This way you practice both sides of real conversation. Speaking tips. Tip 1. Speaking out loud, not in your mind. Tip 2. Record your voice and listen. Tip 3. Listen short phrases, not only words. Tip 4. Practice English with your daily activities. For example, while cooking, say I am cooking rice. Tip 5. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes means you are learning. So friends, today we learned daily sentences practiced, a real conversation and learned speaking tips. Remember, English improves when you practice every single day, even for 10 minutes. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the FaheemShaheen channel.